The day I graduated college in 2005, I decided to start a rental company. It took a few years until it became successful enough to be my full-time job, but now it's all I do. My hope is to help you by sharing my knowledge.
So I know that most of my tables I buy are from Palmer Snyder, and I tell you to buy Palmer Snyder because they're the best. Well, when I first started, I needed cocktail tables, so I needed them cheap. So I bought them from a place called Chiavari Chair Company. I'll put the link in the description. I bought it from them because it was buy 10, get 2 free, and it was about $69 a piece plus the 2 free ones. So because I bought from them in my very first year, that's who I buy for all the time. And they're good tables. They're just like Palmer Snyder's. I've never had any problems with them. So I just got some in. I'm going to open them up and put them together. Oh, the reason why they're a little cheaper than a Palmer Snyder is because they don't come assembled. You have to screw on the metal piece, and I'll show you that. So I get them a lot cheaper than a Palmer Snyder table, and they still always have deals. Like this deal, I just bought 10 of them, and it was a free upgrade to metal edging instead of the rubber edging. And then usually it's buy 10, get 2 free, or buy 15, get 3 free or something. So I still buy from them because the cost is cheaper. I can put them together real easy, and they're still great tables. So let me, I'm gonna unbox everything and show you how to put them together. Okay, so they come with the bottom metal piece not attached yet. So this is the bottom metal piece. And the table comes with it not on it yet. But you see there's the pencil circle for it. So you just line it up, screw it on, and then the table's all set to go. This company is also cool because when they sell you a table, they sell you the long poles and the short poles for table height and bar height. You don't have to buy them separate. You just buy one table and you get a long pole, a short pole for it, and a long pole. Yeah, so that's it. Screw on the metal bases to the table, and now you got yourself a table, and it is cheaper than buying a Palmer Snyder one, and the quality is just the same, and there's usually some sort of discount. You will find cocktail tables at Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace and maybe garage sales and other things like that. But this piece will not fit in with the poles from the company, whatever company you start buying from. So if you start buying from this company, Chiavari Chair Sales or Palmer Snyder or something, buy a few more of these. Because if you can find a cocktail table round and a complete leg set and base set and everything for a few bucks, go ahead and buy it. And then just replace it with one of these, and then it will match all your other tables. I found plenty on Craigslist, bought them up, and then just replaced that bottom metal piece, and then it fits in with the rest of my inventory. But that's about it. Thanks for watching.